What is up, YouTube? Big Teddy here from Game Freaks 297, and today we got a keyboard review. This is the Blackweb Centaur gaming keyboard. It's a good entry-level keyboard. People on budget too. It is backlit, ergonomic design, double braided USB cable. Helps with keeping your cable from breaking whenever you got it plugged into the back of your computer. Keeps from getting stripped and getting your contacts out in the open. Keeps everything secure. Now we are going to do an unboxing of this. I just got this today. This is a good budget keyboard. Now let's get right into it. Get around to the back of it. I already did open it up to make sure everything was what it was supposed to be. Now if we take a look at the back, it shows us the actual keyboard. It does have all your keys, pretty much. It's got a nice feel to them. It's got a backlight, dedicated multimedia office keys, double braided USB cable, compatible with XP and newer systems, and 19 anti-ghosting keys. Allow you to keep things rolling pretty fast. Now let's open this baby up. Now, as we open it up, it is upside down. But let's go ahead and grab it and pull it out. I'm going to set the camera down. Okay. Let's just set it right on top of the box. Now, what it is not a mechanical keyboard. It is a membrane keyboard. Let's turn it around. Now, it is, my hand is pretty big. I'm a pretty big guy, so it is a nice size keyboard. Keys are very well placed. Great, and they got this nice extended ergonomic place for your hand to rest when gaming. And it's got a dedicated game mode, so you don't accidentally press the Windows key or things that will take you out of the game. It does come with instructions on how to use it. Now, I'm gonna plug it in, and we're gonna show you how it's run. We now have it plugged in. It does have interchangeable backlights. You hold the FN button and it should, well, hold on, let me log in. It does have 3 different light modes. You can set it to breathe, which means it'll change color. Now, if you press FN, light green, changes to breathing mode. Now, if you press it again, changes it to solid mode. Now, if you keep pressing this, it'll go from red, off, light green, and dark green, which you can't really tell the difference, but gets slightly darker, change it to red, which is what I keep that because it does have this braided red-ish cable. Now, it is a good keyboard for money. It is $39.97 at the local Walmart. It does come with this little booklet detailing all the different keys and functions it can do. This, if it'll focus. Okay, it's not going to focus, but there it goes. It's a gaming LED indicator. Now, That's the backlight button. Backlight breathing effect is FN plus that. Then there's the adjustable brightness. Then there's the adjustable speed. Gaming mode is FN plus Windows key. All that. It tells you all that good stuff. I do suggest to anybody doing a budget build for this computer. Another feature it has is on the back. You will see that it has two. Most commercial keyboards only have one setting. This has two: high, medium, flat. I personally keep it on medium because that's just the way I like it. Should both have medium. And there you go. Great keyboard for the money, I think. Remember, it is a membrane, not a mechanical. So don't be expecting this to last forever and give you that nice sound click. It does have nice keys, though. Thank you for watching my review of the Centaur gaming keyboard by Blackweb.